Hello everyone and welcome to the Adventures of the Hendersons in the Philippines. So right now I'm going to make an interview of my sisterot. So as you can see on my YouTube channel, you saw that cheer dance her with her classmate. So para asa to siya, Day?
Para sa among performance sa among section.
So it's for their project performance. Who's the teacher of that?
Ma'am Martes Macasa.
Oh yeah, si Ma'am Martes.
Our PE teacher.
Yeah, PE teacher. Oh, say yeah.
Shout out.
Shout out. Yeah, Ma'am Marites. I've known Ma'am Marites because I was able to work with her in that school when I had my substitution. So how many rooms? How many sections that you
3
got complete? So 3 sections.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're the champion.
Oh, you're the champion because there are only 3 groups. How many days have you did you make the preparation or do the rehearsal in the
1 week every afternoon.
Every afternoon?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock to 5?
4
to 4.
4.
So
yeah.
You were given time to do the rehearsal?
Hindi.
You make time? Yeah. Because lately my sister has been troubled with a lot of projects and paperworks that they had to deal with, but as you can see they still managed to do their performances. They even had their theater, right? Yeah. And she actually is involved with a lot of extracurricular at school, right? Especially on those dancing activities and singing. Wait, what singing? No?
Musical.
Yeah, musical. And she knows how to play guitar, so every time they have those musical activities, she plays guitar. She's very talented, except me. Kaon na akong talent. So, how do you feel with your performance? How do you feel with your performance?
Happy.
Oh, you're happy. So, you're contented of the performance that you have with your teammate?
Of course.
Yeah, because you worked hard for it. It's your first time, right? Yeah, it was her first time to do the cheer dancing. Good thing she wasn't thrown away a lot in the air. But you're one of the leader, right? With Paul?
Yeah.
Paul, say apelyido ni Paul.
Paul Maximo Enriquez.
Paul Maximo Enriquez. The other guy with the yellow-green tie in their head. So they're the only 2 who got the yellow-green tie. Yeah, so if you've seen the girl of that video with the yellow-green tie, that's her. Yeah, so I'm proud of my sister. Say mo ikasulti sa tayo joke.
Tide is awesome.
Awesome. So what do you want to say to them, those who viewed your video?
Thank you. Thank you for watching.
And
thank you for supporting my the YouTube channel of my sister.
Magkailatag munggos.
That's all.
Okay, so thank you everyone for watching, and this is the
Adventure of Henderson's in the Philippines.
yeah, almost perfect. Yeah, say hi to Dwayne.
Hi.
Dwayne.
Wait. Oh, ano ba?
Bye everyone. Bye.
Bye.